Breaking into the television industry is still incredibly competitive, but today there are more opportunities than ever to be seen. Affordable technology and online platforms have made it possible for new creators to showcase their ideas, reach an audience, and get noticed without waiting for traditional gatekeepers. Even so, lasting success still depends on talent, consistency, persistence, and a willingness to keep working when it gets hard. Developing your idea. Start with a strong what-if idea. It can be simple or complex, but it should clearly define what makes your show unique. Many great ideas come from combining familiar styles or concepts in a fresh way. Choose the genre and format early because they shape the entire show. Decide whether it is a comedy, drama, reality show, or something else. Then choose if it will be episodic with standalone stories, serial with an ongoing storyline, or sketch-based with short, separate segments. Develop each character with a short description that focuses on personality, strengths, flaws, goals, and fears. What they want and what they struggle with will shape their actions and make them feel interesting and real. Write a treatment for the show that works like a clear blueprint. Include the title, a short logline, a brief synopsis, quick character descriptions, and a simple episode guide for the first few episodes. This helps others quickly understand the concept, characters, and direction of the series. Build content that brings your idea to life. A script is always a strong starting point, but you can also create short web videos, storyboards, or a sizzle reel to help others see the show in action. The more clearly you present the concept, the easier it is for people to understand and support it. Writing a TV script. Learn the basic rules of screenwriting format and style. TV scripts follow a specific structure, so using script writing software and studying real TV scripts can help you do it correctly. Read plenty of scripts in your genre to understand how strong TV writing works. Pay attention to structure, style, pacing, and how writers build characters and story on the page. A strong pilot must do several jobs at once. It should introduce the main characters, establish the world and its rules, and show the kind of story and structure viewers can expect from the series. Use a clear TV act structure to outline your plot. Start with a strong opening, build each act around a problem and rising complications, and end with a satisfying finish or a reason to keep watching the next episode. Do a table read after your first draft. Have a few people read the script out loud. Listen for what sounds natural or weak, and use their feedback to improve the story, dialogue, and characters. Rewrite your script until it feels polished and clear. Check the spelling, grammar, formatting, pacing, and dialogue to make sure every scene moves the story forward and every character sounds natural and distinct. Keep your script as short and focused as possible. Remove anything that does not serve the story, characters, or plot. A tighter script reads faster, feels stronger, and keeps attention on what matters most. And getting your show on air. Consider filming part of the show yourself to help people see the idea in action. Even a short clip or sample scene can attract attention and make your project feel more real, especially if you do not yet have industry experience. Reach out to industry contacts and resources to get your show noticed. Look for agents, producers, contests, and festivals that accept submissions, and follow entertainment sites to learn who is buying and developing projects. You can also use script platforms to share your work, but research them carefully before spending money. Make a list of companies that already produce shows similar to yours and contact the right people in their development teams. A targeted pitch gives you a much better chance than sending your idea to companies that do not make that kind of show. Keep writing, filming, and building experience in the TV or film industry. Most creators start in smaller roles, learn how the industry works, and make connections over time. It also helps to keep developing new scripts and ideas, because one opportunity can lead to another. Thanks for watching.